Hey guys, I'm Jesse Howard. I am a new YouTube channel teaching people how to use certain weapons, particularly nunchucks, and fling them around, and we're going to start from the basics. So today, we're going to be working on how to hold and, of course, spin the nunchucks. So, when you hold nunchucks, it's really simple. Most people think they hold them like right here or here, down here, which you can, but particularly you want to hold them right here on this metal part. See this little nail right here? Well, you want to take your thumb, put it over that, take your palm of your hand, right that, and particularly your index finger, you want to put it right here, so where it's in line with your thumb. You want to hold it there, okay? So just, do that, pause the video, whatever. Learn how to hold them both hands. You're gonna want to use both hands, so you're gonna practice with that. So next we're gonna do a figure eight. Okay. So first you want to hold your nunchucks like that. Then what you want to do is you want to swing over. Okay, you swing over and across your body. Then you spin them up like that. So like this. And you just do the same thing on each side. It's very easy. Usually when you do it, you want to use your wrist, So when you sling them, they're down like this. See my wrist like that. Then you sling back up and my wrist is bent up like that. Now you can practice with that. You do it really fast. But I suggest you do it real slow at first. And you want to watch where your head is. You don't want to end up hitting your head dead on. You kind of want to sling it more outward on your first time, and then you can bring it back in when you've got a hold of this. Swing it more out at first, like this, kind of like an infinite sign, and then you can bring it more inward. Alright? On our next video, we're going to be working on overhand pass, okay?